Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Comerica, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all your income sources, including salary, freelance work, and any side gigs. List all your monthly expenses, including fixed costs like rent and variable costs like groceries. Organize your expenses into categories to see where your money goes. Determine your financial goals, such as saving for a vacation or paying off debt. Open a budget account with Comerica to keep your finances organized. Utilize Comerica's online banking tools to track your spending. Create a monthly budget based on your income and expenses. Allocate funds for each category while ensuring you meet your financial goals. Review your budget regularly to adjust for any changes in income or expenses. Set alerts for upcoming bills and due dates through Comerica's banking app. Practice sticking to your budget by minimizing unnecessary expenses. Monitor your progress toward your financial goals every month. Consider using Comerica's budgeting features for extra guidance. Educate yourself on financial literacy through Comerica's resources. Stay disciplined and make adjustments as needed to stay on track. Celebrate small milestones to stay motivated on your budgeting journey. Remember, consistency is key for long-term success in budgeting. With time, budgeting with Comerica will become a natural part of your financial routine. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.